हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल आर्ट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स। गाइस, आज हम चैप्टर 4 का वर्कशीट 6 कराएंगे। तो वर्कशीट 6 में जो है मैंने ऑलरेडी ये कहा था कि x to the power 0 equals to 1 where x not equals to 0 any rational number। अगर कोई नॉन जीरो रैशनल नंबर होगा तो उसका पावर अगर 0 होगा तो उसका वैल्यू क्या आएगा? इट इज 1। Maybe it is negative 5 by 6 minus to the power 0, that is 1. 5 by 6 to the power 0, that is 1. 18 by 9 4 5, that is to the power 0 equals to 1. Any number, any non-zero number that power equals to 0, that value is 1. Okay, so this property we are going to use here. Using this property we are going to solve. If you have done up to worksheet 5 all the sums, then I think it will be easier for you. This worksheet will be easier for you if you remember this formula. So बिना देरी किए let's begin. Before start this, we have to explain two formula. Already that I have explained, though again I am going to explain this. After that I'll start. Okay, so let's see. X to the power m into y to the power m. Have you noticed their power is same, no? Then you can write x into y whole to the power m. If x and y be any rational number, then and if their power be equal, then what to write? Whatever the sign over there, that I have to write the base like this according to this, and to the power m, like x to the power x means, suppose if I write p by q into r by s to the power m, what I can write? Just separate them. P by q to the power m into r by s to the power m. Understood na? Just we can separate them, and in between whatever the sign we will write there. And similarly, x to the power m divide y to the power m. Again you can notice their bases, their power is same but bases are different. What we can write? X divided y to the power m. That formula can be represented one more way, that x by y to the power m. Do you remember this? That is x to the power m, y to the power m. That can be written as x to the power m divide y to the power m. That's it. So we are going to use this formula. Okay, now first one, is their power same? No, it is plus and that is minus 4. You can make them equal, either both convert into minus 4 or both the power you have to convert into plus 4. Here I am going to convert them into positive number. So 4 to the power 4 as it is I have to write into, if you make the power positive, then what to do? Just its reciprocal number, that is 1 by 5 to the power 4. Understood na? Equals to, now that can be written as 4 by 1. Now again this formula we can apply. Do you remember that 4 by 1 to the power 4 into 1 by 5 to the power 4, that can be written as the base. First I have to write 4 by 1, whatever the sign write down, then again this base, then whole to the power, because they are equal. Understood? This formula I have applied. X to the power n into y to the power m, that is x to the power m, y to the power m. What I have write? Base I have written in product form, then to the power the power. Here also I have done the same thing. So if you multiply that is 4 by 5 to the power 4. Understood? Now this one equals to, here you can see that both the power are same. So 2 into minus 1 by 3 whole to the power 2, because both 2. Okay, so if you multiply them, 2 by 1 is there, so minus 1 and 2, that is minus plus minus, jhamela hatao first, then 2 ones are 2 by 3 ones are 3 whole to the power 2 is the answer. Now this one again bases are same, no? That minus 2 by 3 into minus 3 by 5 whole to the power. Okay, so next equals to minus, and now minus minus first jhamela hatao, so minus minus plus, So 3 also cancel. So that means 2 by 5 to the power 3. Guys, one more thing that I have not done here. Here it is told simplify. So I have written all the answer in exponential form. It is better to simplify them, means calculate them. So 4 to the power 4 means 16 into 16, no? 4 square 16, and there 4 into 4 16, and there 4 into 4 16. So 16 square is 256, you can check it, and 5 to the power 4, that means 625. Okay, this is the answer. Now if you are going to calculate this, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Now could you tell me what will be the sign? See the exponent. It is positive, means it is even, so answer should come in positive. Now this one, 2 to the power 3, that means 8. 5 to the power 3 means 125, and this is the answer. Now question number 4, again the same formula we have to apply, because both are what? Both are negative, means power is same, both the power are same. So some students can ask me here, why don't you make it positive? Because always you have told that, sir, that whenever we are going to calculate, we have to first, what we have to do first, that make the power positive. But here you are not doing, because sometimes it is not necessary. But if you initially, if you want to do it, you can do it, like make it positive, then do the calculation. But without making it positive also you can do it. Chalo, making it positive, I am going to do it. So 2 to the power 2 will come into 5 by 2 to the power 2. Now both are positive. Now chalo, do the calculation. Now power are positive means base को into में लिखना है. Now power 2. Now 2 cancel. So 5 square, that is 25 is the answer. Okay. Now this one already positive and power are same. So what to write? 5 to the power 6 divide minus 7 to the power 6 whole to the power 4 equals to, now 5 by 6 minus, divide can be changed into 6 by 7 minus 7 equals to, now minus plus, first झमेला हटाओ, 6 cancel, nothing can be cancelled. Now 5 by 7 to the power 4, now 5 to the power 4, now only I have done 625 and 7 to the power 4, 49 into 49, acha 49 square, 2401. Okay, don't worry, I'll teach you how to find the square of any 2-digit number easily. I'll show you. Okay, but now you can write this, 2401 is the answer. Okay, now this one again power is same. चलो, एक तो मैंने -2 को पॉजिटिव करके करवाया, और एक नेगेटिव, मतलब एज इट इज रख के, मतलब नेगेटिव रख के हम सॉल्व करता हूँ. एक बार देख लो ये प्रोसेस भी. -2 by 3 into -3 by 2 होल टू द पावर -5. अब माइनस प्लस झमेला हटाओ. नेक्स्ट 3 कैंसिल, 2 कैंसिल, मीन्स 1 to the power 5 equals to 5 is the answer. Is it right? Guys, is it right? No. 1 to the power 5. मैं फिर से जानबूझ के ये गलती किया, क्योंकि यहाँ इस जगह पे स्टूडेंट लोग प्रॉब्लम कर देता है. यहाँ तक तो वो लोग कैलकुलेट करके बढ़िया से, ये जो मतलब एफर्ट्स लगा के ये लोग कर देता है यहाँ तक, फिर एंड में आके गया सब पानी में. देखो 1 to the power 5 मीन्स इट इज नॉट, बहुत मन करेगा कि 1 के साथ 5 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देते, लेकिन 1 to the power 5 मतलब 1 को 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 1 2 3 4 5. अब क्या आएगा? जितना भी टाइम मल्टीप्लाई करो 1 ही आएगा ना. सो दिस इज 1. सो गाइज बी केयरफुल. ओके, सो दिस इज द सम 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन. तो बस यहाँ पे बीच में इनटू है, मतलब ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. ओके, चलो एक बार देख लेते हैं. सो अब एक प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ पे, एक दिक्कत क्या है कि इसमें जो पावर है that is 6 and this one 3, both are not same. So what should I do? Chalo, let's see. Guys, before doing this, let me show you another calculation. First watch it. Okay, chalo, 4 by 9. Acha, 4 can be written as 2 into 2, no? Yes, we can write. And 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So actually we can write 2 into 2 means 2 square, 3 into 3 means 3 square. अब तुम लोगों को पता है सी, both power is same, so we can write 2 by 3 whole square. Understood na? Now tell me, is the number 4 by 9 only? No, it is 4 by 9 to the power 3. So here 4 by 9 equals to what I have got, that is 2 by 3 whole to the power 2. But what I have to find, that 4 by 9 to the power 3, no? So here if we write the power 3, here also we have to write the power 3, same thing. Understood na? So if we calculate this, it would come 2 by 3 whole to the power, now 3 into 2, that is 6. 3 into 2, that is 6. Okay, so I think you understood. Now that value we are going to write over there, because 4 by 9 whole cube equals to 2 by 3 whole to the power 6. Okay, chalo, and we can write this 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 actually to the power 6 into 4 by 9 to the power 3 can be written as 2 by 3 whole to the power 6. Now you can notice that both the power are same. Okay, chalo. So half to the power 3x implies, now what we can write, 2 by 3 into 3 by that is minus 2 by 3 into, again I said wrong, that is minus 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 to the power 6 equals to half to the power 3x, because both the power are same, so we can write this. Okay, chalo. Now it can be calculate, 2 cancel, 3 also cancel, but minus 1 over there, so minus 1 to the power 6 equals to half to the power 3x. Guys, now this is a very important portion. Chalo, let me explain this first. So I am going to rub this because I need a space to explain this. Guys, listen. Acha, chalo, let me calculate the more, that 1 to the minus 1 to the power 6 can be written as, acha, chalo, first we are going to rearrange it. So half to the power 3x equals to minus 1 to the power 6 can be written as 1, because 1 के साथ जितना टाइम कुछ भी मल्टीप्लाई करो, 1 मतलब जितना टाइम 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करो तुम्हें क्या मिलेगा, 1 ही. अब बेस तो माइनस 1 था, तो अब सवाल है कि ये माइनस 1 आएगा और प्लस 1 आएगा यहाँ पे, तो पावर क्या है, इवन है, तो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव आना चाहिए. ओके, चलो, अब तुम्हें जो मिल गया वो है हाफ टू द पावर 3x इक्वल्स टू 1. 1 can be, someone says that 1 can be written as 1 to the power 1, but okay, no problem. Do you remember when you already have done that worksheet 5, that time if either bases are same or power are same, means generally you have done, if bases are same then we can write, since bases are same then their exponent must be equal, then we are going to write 3x equals to this. But have you noticed here 1, and in this left hand side, that is my half, are they same? No, na, so they are not same, so we cannot do it, so only we can write 1. अब मैंने कहा था ना, जो ये जब सेशन जब स्टार्ट किया मैंने तभी कह दिया था कि एक प्रॉपर्टी को याद कर लेना कि x टू द पावर 0 इक्वल्स टू क्या है, 1 है. कोई नॉन जीरो नंबर जिसका पावर 0 होगा तो वो क्या है, 1 है. इस जगह पे ठीक से सुनना, और एक बार एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. 1 मतलब तुम लिख सकते हो 1 टू द पावर 1 लिख सकते हो, लेकिन अगर मुझे जरूरत पड़े तो वी कैन राइट एनी नंबर, नॉन जीरो नंबर दैट पावर 0 ऑल्सो वी कैन राइट. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द सम वी हैव टू डू इट. ओके ना. सो आप बताओ 1 मतलब क्या है, एनी नंबर, लाइक वी कैन राइट 5 by 6 to the power 0 to the equals to 1, half to the power 0 equals to 1, 3 by 2 to the power 0 equals to 1, any you can take. But here if we write instead of 1, if we write half to the power 0, is there any problem? I am choosing this one. Okay, not I'm not going to choose these others, I'm choosing this one. Now why I should choose this? Listen, according to left hand side base we have to write right hand side base also. Suppose 1 है ना, तो अब आप बताओ, पहले इसको सॉल्व कर लेता हूँ. half to the power 3x equals to half to the power 0 you have now bases are same, we can write 3x equals to 0 implies x equals to also 0. 0 by 3 means 0. So x is what? 0 is the answer. Okay. Now guys, why I am choosing half to the power 0? Because हम लोगों का एक प्रॉपर्टी जो है वो क्या है कि हम बेस को अगर इक्वल कर देंगे तो उसका पावर भी इक्वल हो जाएगा. तो अगर तुम यहाँ पे हाफ टू द पावर 3x इस जगह पे ना राइट साइड पे अगर तुम हाफ के जगह पे 5/6 टू द पावर 0 चूज करोगे तो कोई फायदा है? क्योंकि हाफ एंड 5/6 बोथ आर नॉट सेम, तो कोई फायदा नहीं. अगर तुम इसको चूज करो 3/2 तो कोई फायदा होगा? नहीं, इसमें भी कोई फायदा नहीं है. तो हमें क्या चूज करना है? यहाँ पे जो बेस है उसी हिसाब से चूज करना है. ठीक है ना. तो इसमें बहुत मतलब इसमें जो है ना 99% स्टूडेंट ये सम गलत करते हैं. और जब भी मैं क्वेश्चन करता हूँ इसको तो हर साल कहीं ना कहीं पोस्ट मिड टर्म में, एक्चुअली मेरे स्कूल में ये पोस्ट मिड टर्म में है ये सिलेबस में, तो ये सम कभी ना कभी मैं देता ही हूँ क्वेश्चन में. जब भी क्लास टेस्ट लेता हूँ तब भी ये क्वेश्चन में डालता हूँ थोड़ा डिजिट को चेंज करके. तो ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट सम है. एक बात कहना चाहूँगा, अगर तुम्हें फिर भी ये समझ में नहीं आया तो डाउट क्लास में और एक इस सम के ऊपर रखेंगे सेशन. ओके. 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन, इट इज गिवन द सेम थिंग, वी हैव टू डू बोथ द पावर आर सेम. तो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 4/5. नाउ डिवाइड है तो डिवाइड लिखो एंड दैट इज -4/5 टू द पावर -2 इक्वल्स टू 1 to the power 3x. ओके. अब चलो implies now 4/5 can be written as 4/5. Now if you change this into, it can be write 5/-4 to the power -2 equals to 1 to the power 3x. Now 5 cancel, 4 also cancel, -1 will be there, -1 to the power -2 equals to 1 to the power 3x. Now could you tell me -2, or if we write this can be written as +2 also because 1 is there. So -2 or 1, 2 is even number or odd number? Even. So this can be written as 1. क्यों? देखो -1 को -1 to the power -2 मतलब क्या है? 1/-1 to the power 2 रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. अब इसका कैलकुलेट करोगे तो क्या आएगा? -1 to the power 2 that is -1 into -1 that is 1 because -1 plus 1. So ये 1 आ गया. अब 1 to the power 3x. अब यहाँ पे देखो तुम लोग कह सकते हो सर पिछले सम में तो आप हाफ करवाए, तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है? यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं करना है. इस साइड में बेस क्या है? इस साइड में बेस जो है वो 1 है, तो इस साइड में क्या होगा? बस 1 to the power 1 लिख दो. सो इम्प्लाइज 3x इक्वल्स टू 1. आ गया ना? सेम हो गया. सो इम्प्लाइज x इक्वल्स टू 1/3. बच्चों देखो तुम्हारे जो बुक में है ये सम है, फिर भी ये एक कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी सम है क्योंकि 1 कैन बी रिटन एज 1 to the power 100 ऑल्सो, 1 to the power मेनी एनीथिंग यू कैन राइट. सो थोड़ा कंप्लीट मतलब ये कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी सम है. तो फिर भी तुम्हारी बुक में 1/1/3 है, तो अभी जूनियर क्लास है ये, तो तुम ऐसे कर सकते हो. फिर भी ये सम पूरा एकदम एरर फ्री नहीं है. चलो वो छोड़ो. चलो फिर नेक्स्ट. नाउ 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन, अगेन पावर इज सेम, सो वी कैन राइट बेस एज दिस 2 the power 3. अगेन देखो बेस को ऐसे प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में लिख दो और पावर को लिख दो. बस फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया मैंने. सो 9 कैंसिल, 4 2s are 8. So 2 to the power 3 equals to 2 to the power 6x, and you can see now base are same, so we can write since bases are same their exponent must be equal. That notation you will write over there. After that therefore 3 equals to 6x implies 6x equals to 3. Just interchange their place. So x equals to 3/6. If you calculate you will get half. Understood? So half is the answer. Now this one again power is same, so what should I write? This divide 5/4 whole to the power 3, that to the power x, 3 to the power x right side. Now 15/4 as it is into लिखोगे तो इसका रेसिप्रोकल मतलब 4/5 that 3, now 3 to the power x. If you calculate 5 3s are 4 cancel. Now 3 to the power 3 equals to 3 to the power x. Now bases are same, लिख लेना यहाँ पे स्टेटमेंट. तो therefore 3 equals to x, so we can write x equals to 3. This is the answer. So guys वर्कशीट 6 अब खत्म हो चुका है. तो अब इसके बाद वर्कशीट 7 कराऊंगा। तो वर्कशीट 7 में बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एक चीज है, वो है स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। तो पहले उसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, फिर हमें टाइम मिला, मतलब हो गया, एडजस्ट कर पाए तो उस वीडियो में पूरा वर्कशीट कर देंगे। अगर नहीं हो पाया तो और एक पार्ट बनाएंगे उसके क्योंकि वर्कशीट 7 जो है बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, और बहुत ही यूजफुल है। ओके ना, तो फिर चलो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मुलाकात होगा। तो दैट्स इट। I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. और तब तक के लिए goodbye.